guys hear this noise? We have go on. Oh, can't believe it. Guys, can't you believe it? This siren is going off again. I can't believe it. Anyway, about Jack Cartman. They have this tornado siren going on that went on a few days ago. And plus, when I get back, they're going to be saying, didn't you hear a tornado siren? Oh, do you know what it's called? The Federal Signal. Kind of late because I had to grab my phone. It should be by Meyer. I was the one to hear this tornado siren. I never heard this tornado. And I knew I was going to hear the tornado siren. It's going off right now. Sounds so pretty. Alright? We got one off. And guys, it's done.